All right, YouTube. So I'm kind of in a dilemma here. I totaled my well, I didn't really total it, but I wrecked my Ford Fusion. It's gonna be in the shop for a few months at a deer. So I'm currently gonna be driving my '93 IDI with the ATS turbo system on it. And I was just driving it around yesterday, going around and going to work and going through town. Everything was fine. Parked it here this morning. It was about 35 degrees. For the life of it, just didn't want to start. And it's probably about 55 degrees out right now, a little bit nicer out. Just got home and still nothing. Um, it'll puff a little bit of white. Actually, it'll puff a decent amount of white when I'm cranking it. It just doesn't want to turn over. I don't know what it is. It worked perfectly fine yesterday. Started right up yesterday. Didn't have a problem with it. For the life of me, I mean, I'm not kind of new to the diesel world, so if some people could help me out, that'd be great. So I'll go ahead and aim it at the exhaust, and then I'll try starting it, and then I'll try something else. Ooh, hang on. There we go. That's better. We'll try it over here. Damn, I don't really have a place to put it. All right, right back. So that's what I'm dealing with. Um, I'll try a different view, looking over the engine. I don't have a buddy with me to help me out, so just trying to make do with the angles I'm giving you, I guess. So that's what I'm dealing with. It's been a real pain in my ass. I haven't had any problems with this truck since I had it. All of a sudden now it's just not wanting to start at all. It's got fuel. It's smoking a little bit, so I'm pretty sure it's getting fuel. Like I said, I'm a little new to the diesel world. I've had this thing for a little over 4 months now, but it was always started right up. Pulled my livestock show with it a couple times. I never had a problem with it. Now I just won't start. It's got to be my daily driver for about 2 months now, so nothing special. I just need to run for a while so I can have something to drive. Well, that's not mine. I wish it was though. But any help is greatly appreciated. Thank you.